Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive. Today, we're uncovering something a lot of people are curious about right now, Apple's brand new iOS 19 beta. While Apple talked about a few flashy features during WWDC, they definitely didn't mention everything. In fact, some of the most interesting and useful changes are hidden deep inside the beta, and today, I'm showing you what they are and how they could actually change the way you use your iPhone. So grab your phone and get ready. We're diving deep into the stuff Apple didn't tell you. Let's start with something that completely flew under the radar: custom app icons without using shortcuts. That's right, you can now change app icons natively in iOS 19 without those annoying delays or needing to create a shortcut. It's a small quality of life feature, but one that aesthetic lovers and home screen customizers are going to appreciate big time. Next, we have the Smarter Control Center. Apple showed us a few new toggles, but what they didn't highlight is that now you can add third-party widgets directly into Control Center. So yes, now your favorite music apps, fitness trackers, or even smart home tools can live in the same swipe-down panel as your flashlight and Wi-Fi. This is the kind of integration people have been asking for forever, and it finally feels like Apple's letting us personalize the core interface. Now here's something that really surprised me: Live Translate in Messages. If you're texting someone in another language, iOS 19 detects it and gives you a real-time inline translation. No copy-pasting, no Google Translate. It's smooth, automatic, and incredibly helpful if you're bilingual or chat with friends and family overseas. Apple didn't make a big deal out of it, but it's a game-changer for global communication. Another hidden gem: Advanced Battery Health Insights. Apple usually keeps battery data vague, but in iOS 19 beta, you can now see your app power drain by hour, screen brightness impact, and even your charge cycle history. This is incredibly useful for people trying to extend battery life or just understand how their phone performs over time. It's nerdy, yes, but very welcome. Let's talk about the lock screen. While everyone saw the new interactive widgets, what you probably didn't notice is the ability to set context-aware lock screens. For example, if you're at work, it can show your calendar and emails. At night, it can switch to sleep stats and ambient widgets. It's kind of like Androids at a glance, but with that signature Apple polish. Speaking of polish, there's also a new subtle haptic feedback when scrolling through menus or adjusting volume. It's tiny, but it makes the entire iOS experience feel more tactile and satisfying. And if you're like me and obsess over those little UX details, you'll love this change. Oh, and if you've ever wished your iPhone would stop lighting up during sleep mode when a notification comes in, there's a new setting for that too. It's hidden under Focus Settings and lets you disable wake screen entirely during specific hours. No more bright flashes at 2 a.m. when someone sends you a meme. Finally, there's a feature that seems small but might be the most powerful: Enhanced Spotlight Search. Now it not only surfaces apps and web results, but also pulls real-time content from inside your apps. You can search for blue shoes, and it'll show results from Safari, Pinterest, Notes, and even your screenshots. This kind of deep integration makes Spotlight way more useful and might just replace how you find stuff on your phone. So that's the scoop on iOS 19 beta's hidden features that Apple didn't exactly shout about. These updates are subtle, powerful, and in many cases, long overdue. Which one are you most excited for? Or did I miss something even sneakier hiding in the beta? Drop it in the comments below and let's talk about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Dive, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.